Alright friends, in this session we will learn how to use function in Python, which is really important topic in every programming languages. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. So why we use function? Function help organize our code and make it reusable and improve readability. Okay, let's dive into the function. How we define function? We define function using def keyword. And after the def keyword, we write our function name with parentheses. For example, if we want to print a message, function name could be print message. And then I put comma. I click enter. You see it starts inside the function. We should be careful about the indentation. We need to start here. That means we need to give a space that equal to the top from the beginning. This is called indentation in Python programming. So right now I am inside the print function. Let's print it. Print hello world. Hello world, for example. If I am here, I am outside of print function. If I am here, I am inside the function. Be careful about that. So how we use function? We need to call the function. What's my function name? Print message. I copy that and outside the function. Right now I am outside. I just paste it and I put parentheses. Right now what I am doing? I am calling the function. If I run it, you see hello world appears on the screen. If I don't call it, I cut it and run it again, you see nothing appears. I need to call the function. If I take this print outside the function, I run it, you see indentation error. What's our error? Expected and indented block after function definition on line 2. It says you define a function, but inside the function nothing. If I put back this print, if I am careful with indentation, right now I am inside this function. I run it, you see hello world appears. And the other important topic is be careful about function name. For example, choosing reserved names for function can cause errors. Always choose unique and descriptive names. You already know print function in Python programming prints something to the screen. You see, if I take it like def print, like that, it causes confliction. So if I run it, you see type error. Print takes 0 positional arguments, but 1 was given, something like that. We should choose unique names. And I take it back. I run it, you see hello world appears. So why we use function? For example, if I want to calculate something, instead of writing my code line by line, I define a function. This function calculates something. And using functions help us to reuse our code efficiently and makes our code more clean. That's why it's so important topic. Okay, we learn how to define function, how to call it. In the next lesson, we will dive into the function features. See you in the next lesson.